Hey everyone, weekend breakfast. See how many items in my plate. It's very easy with one base only. Take a big kadai and take 4 cups of rice flour, approximately 400 grams, and 8 cups of water and 1 teaspoon of salt. Pour the water in kadai. Add salt and add 1 tablespoon of oil. Boil well. In this winter, we can do hot breakfasts. Once boiled, add rice flour gradually and mix continuously. Keep the flame in medium and add entire rice flour, then mix continuously. It will cook slowly. Once entire rice flour mixed in water, then we can stove off. Then close and cool down. And take another kadai. This is for simple chutney. 1 cup of peanuts. Fry them. Not fry. Roast well without oil. Roasted peanut chutney is very tasty. Then soft the dough. If it is more, keep aside half of the dough. Then soften. Knead it 2 to 3 minutes. Rice flour is very easy to knead, not like wheat flour. Take this whole of murukku, make a small hole plate and fill with rice flour. It will not sticky. Why? Because I added oil in the when the water is boiling. That's why it will not sticky to vessel. And grease the idli plates or any plate. Then make this is called in rice sevai. Steam 10 minutes. It will take only 10 minutes to cook. And ready rest of the dough. Knead the rest of the dough until soft. Then close and keep aside. Once it's fine. And take, I am going to 3 types of sevai doing here. For that, these are the ingredients: green chilli, curry leaves, tomatoes, lemon and fresh coconut. Slit the green chilli and cut the tomatoes into small chunks. And cut the lemon and keep ready. Keep it aside. And finally grate the coconut. Grate nicely, it will be taste. Or you can Cut the small pieces, then you can put it in mixer jar. Now sevai is ready. It will easily remove from plate. Leave it for 2 minutes, then remove from plate. And again put it to steam. See how it is easy. And next batch, the entire flour will come to 3 batches for 2 plates. Remove the skim to peanuts. Betties are hungry. It's a game with me. Put the peanuts into mixer jar. Then add few drops of oil. Then add 4 to 5 as per your spiciness. Add the green chilies, already slitted green chilies. Then fry 1 or 2 minutes. Add salt and add required water. Then grind it. And you add peanuts and oil in a kadai. Then fry them. Then add mustard seeds, cumin seeds, gram dal and urad dal. Once fried, add red chilli, curry leaves and slitted green chilli. Add turmeric and hing. All the ingredients will be provided in description box, so you can find there. Now stove off, then add the sevai. This rice sevai, dried sevai is available in provision shops. You can bring that. That is called, I think, anil sevai. You can bring that also. Then crush the lemon. Add little salt. I already added in sevai. Check and add the salt and mix well. That is ready. For another one, take a oil 2 tablespoons. Add mustard, gram dal, urad dal and red chilli and curry leaves, green chilli. Add tomatoes. Add salt and turmeric. These recipes will provide in Tamil Nadu side functions. Once softened the tomatoes, then add sevai. Mix gently. And finally add coriander leaves. This is done. And third one, these are lemon sevai, called as lemon sevai, tomato sevai, and coconut sevai. At same process, add oil, mustard, urad or gram dal, and cashews for coconut sevai. Add red chilli, 1 or 2, and add curry leaves, green chilli. Add more green chilli and red chilli, it will be taste. Then add grated fresh coconut. Stir 1 or 2 minutes. Do not over fry. And add sevai. Add 1/4 teaspoon of salt. No need to add turmeric for coconut sevai. This is ready. Now I am going to prepare some sweet with sevai. Add 2 to 3 cups of milk, already boiled milk. Add 4 tablespoons of sugar. Add sevai. Once boiled, add 1 or 2 cardamom and 2 tablespoons of chopped dry nuts. Then boil 2 to 3 minutes. It will be ready. All are ready. Now serving. Base is one, but taste is different. This chutney is very simple chutney. You can use for idli or dosa or upma or pongal. For anything you can use this chutney. Sweet is nice but little bit salty. And eat with green chili and red chili. It will be taste. This is a different taste. Coconut rice is a different. Coconut sevai is a different taste. You can observe that taste. Now I am tasting tomato sevai. Tomato sevai also very unique. All three types sevais are very tasty. If you have any guests or any friends or any functions, small functions, birthday functions like that, you can use this sevai. It will take a little bit more time, but it is a different recipes. My favorite is always lemon sevai. That's why I am enjoying this lemon sevai. We can see, you can plan these recipes. You can eat chutney, very tasty and very healthy and very strengthy. After eating all spices, we have little bit sweet, no? That's why I prepared this. Try this, no problem. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel. Please like and comment. Share to your friends or relatives. Thank you for watching.